So you've got squeaky floors and you don't know how to fix them. Stay tuned to the end of this video. We're going to show you exactly what to do to fix those squeaky hardwood floors all by yourself. Right guys, so all products will be listed in the description of this video. You guys can buy all of this on Amazon. This is a kit that you can buy off Amazon called Squeak No More or something to the sorts. Check the link for the description. It comes with the required drill bit that you will need to make the hole or the drilled out portion. You're going to do it right between where the seams meet for each plank. You're going to inject it until you notice the glue kind of coming out of the hole that you injected. That's how you know you have good contact with it. You will then use this. It's called a floor repair kit. It comes with several different colored waxes. And you can see here, you need to cover that hole back up. That way the glue does not inject out of the hole that you've actually made. And you're just going to color match it to the floor that you have and make it look real pretty. Guys, it just takes time to make it look real pretty. But you can listen to this. So just like that, you guys can tell there's no more squeaking. Last thing that you're going to do is either take a 5-gallon bucket. In this case, my client has several of these watering jugs. You want something with some weight. You'll leave it for 24 to 48 hours until that adhesive has something to get in good contact with.